Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the type 2 questions in your blood relationship concept. Let's see the question one by one. It is also known as equation based questions. Let's see the question one by one. So they give one expressions, that is K at A and S dollar symbol T plus H at J hash W percentage V. How is S is related to V? How is S is related to V? Here K at A and S dollar symbol T plus H at J hash W percentage V. Hash W percentage V. So here K at A means, what is the relationship between at? K is brother of A. Now A and S. A and S means A is the mother of S. Now S dollar T. Dollar symbol is, where is dollar symbol here? S is the sister of T. T plus H. Plus means what is the relationship? T is the, here T is the son of Y. T is the son of Y. Hence A and, sorry, Y not Y, H. So A and H is married couple. Here A is wife, H is husband. Now, here question. Next, H at J. At means H is brother of Y. H is brother of Y. Now, H is brother of J. H is brother of J. J as W. Ash means J is wife of who's that? W. W percentage V. Percentage means W is the father of V. Now your question is, how is S is related to V? How is S is related to V? Here S and here V. So these three persons are third generation. S mother is A, S father is H. And S father is H, S father's brother is J, S father's brother is J, and father's brother J's husband Y, that is J's wife is F. Anyway, J's kid is F. So yes, father's brother's son is F. Hence, S and F are sister and brother. We don't know the F category. Anyway, S and F is sister relationship. S is sister of F. Okay. So here, S father's brother's child is, who's that? F. Your question is, how is S related to F? S is sister of F. Your answer is option A. We'll move on to your next question. So here, some of the instructions which is given here, dollar symbol, hash, at, percentage, star and all. So depends upon the questions, it will be vary. So here dollar symbols means mother relationship, hash symbol means father relationship, at means husband and all. Your equations, what is your equations here? S at T, dollar symbol M, hash V, percentage K star L. Now, how is S is related to, how S is related to L? How S is related to L? Now, S and T, what is the relationship between at? S is husband of T. T dollar symbol M. T is the, there is dollar symbol here. T is the mother of M. Hence, M's mother is T and M's father is S. M ash V. M ash V. What is ash? M is father. So, father. M is father of V. Now, percentage. V percentage K. V is brother of K. B is brother of K. K star L. K is daughter of, who's that? Daughter of L. So here M is father of V. V is brother of K. M and L is married couple. Here L is wife of M. Wife of M. Now your question is, how is S related to L? How is S related to L? So S is husband of T. T's son is M. Anyway, S is the father of M and S is the father-in-law of his wife, son's wife. So, S is the father-in-law of L. Hence, your answer is option D. We'll move on to your next question. T plus U means T is the father of U. T minus U means T is the husband of U. T star U means T is the sister of U. T percentage U means T is the brother of U. T at U means T is the mother of N. How is T related to N in the following expression? So here T plus U star V minus W at K percentage N. T plus U. Plus means T is father of U. T is father of U. Now, U star V. Star in the sense U is the sister of V. Anyway, both persons are kids of T. V minus W. V is the husband of W. W at K is, W is the mother of K. Here K is the percentage. K is the brother of N. In this question, how is T related to N? How is T related to N? T's both U and V are daughter and sons. Sons wife is W. W is the mother of K and N. Hence, T is the father of V. V is the father of N. So, anyway, T is the grandfather of N. So, your answer is option C is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. So, in this question, V dollar symbol C means V is father of C. V percentage C means V is mother of C. V power C means V is the brother of C. V ampersand C means V is the sister of C. So, which of the following shows that O is aunt of S? O is aunt of S. Here, O is must be a female member. So, according to this question, first O power P. O is the brother. So, power means O is the brother. So, it is not coming. Now, O and P. O and P is O is, it will be may occur. First of all, we eliminate the we eliminate the options because the O's gender must be a female. The second option indicates that the O's gender is female. It will be right. Okay, we'll move on to the third one. $O here. $O symbol means, so O is father of P. It will not come. And O percentage P, where is percentage here? O is the mother of P. Hence, there are two options which is indicated gender of O, that is female. Let's we take for second example, second equation. O ampersand P, dollar symbol Q and R power S. Now O and P is, and means O is the sister of P. P dollar Q. P is the father of Q. Now Q and R is, Q is sister of R. R power yes, R is the brother of C. Anyway, we don't know the category of C and all. R is the brother of S. Anyway, we don't know the category of S and all. We know the category of O, that is female candidates. Now P is father of Q, R and C. Anyway, Q is father of P, Q is brother of R, and R is the brother of S. So these three kids are siblings. Hence the father of these three kids is P. P is the father of these three persons. Now the P's sister is Q. Father's sister is auntie. So that is S fathers is P, father's sister is O. So hence O is aunt of S. Option B is the correct. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Here I greater than J, I less than J, I exclamation J, I question mark J. Depends upon the symbols. There is a relationship mother, father, husband and daughter. Okay. Which of the following indicates L is the brother of S? L is the brother of S. Here just L we need the gender as male. Here L less than K. L less than K is L is father, male candidates. Here L less than K, so it will be male. Here T greater than L, we don't know about this. Here T question mark L, we don't know about this. We want to take the first option first of all. L less than K, greater than T, greater than S. L less than K means L is the father of K. Now K greater than T. K greater than T means K is the mother of T. Now T, so listen this carefully. L is one generation, first generation, K is second generation, T is third generation. Here T is third generation. So equal generation only will be called as brother, sister and all. Hence the first option is cancelled, get cancelled. We can take the second option. S question mark F exclamation T greater than L less than K. So in this question, listen, S question mark F. So S question mark F means S is the daughter of F. F exclamation T. F is the husband of T. T greater than L. T greater than L. T is the mother of L. Okay, now T is the mother of L. Okay, now L less than K. So, L is father of J. L is father of J. Yes, right. L is father of J. Hence, L is the male candidate. Now, look, observe this tree carefully. Yes, L. L's son or daughter is J. Now, yes, L having the fathers F and J. Sorry, F and T. F and T. Now, S father is F and L is mother. J is the mother of L. Hence, S and L is the brother. Here, L is the brother of S. L is the brother of S. Same generation. Same generation. So, answer is option B is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. Now, your question is, which of the following expression denotes that yes, J is the wife of F? So, based on this statements, plus hash dollar symbol percentage at. So, plus means sister, hash means husband, dollar means daughter, percentage means mother, at means brother. So, here J is the wife of F. J is the wife of F. So, we need to know the gender of J first. In this expression, J dollar symbol is female. Okay, right. Here J, we don't know about this. So we can keep this last. So here J percentage B. Percentage in the sense J is mother. Okay, right. The fourth option J percentage B. Again it will female, right. So and F at J, we don't know about the category of J in second and fifth option. We take the first option. P dollar. P is daughter of Q. So here P dollar J. P is daughter of J. J is, who's that? J is percentage means mother. J is mother of R, right? Okay, J is mother of R, right? After that, R plus K. Plus means R is sister of K. K percentage F. K percentage F is again K is mother of F. Here there is no relationship between F and J. Anyway, the J is the female members. But here there is no relationship between S and J and F. There is a relationship, but there is no wife relationship. So hence first one is wrong. Okay, and third option. See which one is third? J percentage P plus K at R dollar symbol F. So J percentage P. J percentage means J is the mother of P. J is the mother of P. P plus K. So P plus K. P is the sister of, whose sister of K. K at R. At symbol means K is the brother of R. Now R dollar symbol F. Dollar symbol in the sense R is the daughter of F. Listen carefully. So J having the 3 kids, P, K, R. Siblings, the 3 persons are siblings. Hence, R's father is F. P's mother is J. So therefore J is wife of F. Then only the three persons are kids of J and F. In this relationship, the third relationship showing the relationship between J is the wife of K. Hence your answer is option C. See, in this video, as we discussed the questions which is based on your expressions, depends upon the questions, the symbols is denoted by the various relationship, brother, sister, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, father, daughter and all. So, you can derive the each and every expressions by using the two persons. It is well helpful for you while you are observing the particular person, be a female or male, means it will be get quite fast. Okay, thank you for watching.